has ordered his Attorney General to produce more court documents on his former friend Jeffrey Epstein, as some of his supporters demand more transparency over files relating to the convicted sex offender. Writing on his Truth Social platform, Mr. Trump says, based on the ridiculous amount of publicity given to Jeffrey Epstein, I have asked Pam Bondi to produce any and all pertinent grand jury testimony subject to court approval. He goes on to say this scam, perpetuated by the Democrats, should end right now. Shortly after Mr. Trump's statement, Ms. Bondi said that the Justice Department was ready to ask the court today to unseal the grand jury transcripts. Mr. Trump has faced a rare backlash from his supporters over Epstein, who died by suicide in prison in 2019 while awaiting trial on sex trafficking charges. His death sparked continued rumours and conspiracies amongst MAGA supporters and, most recently, about possible clients named in government files. Some have accused his administration of a cover-up. Mr. Trump also says he will sue the Wall Street Journal after it reported on a letter bearing his name written to Epstein in 2003. Well, our North America correspondent Arunade Mukherjee has been analysing the unfolding controversy.
Well, it's been an evening of fairly fast-paced developments on Thursday here in the US, and it all began with that article published by the Wall Street Journal, which talked about the relationship between Donald Trump and Jeffrey Epstein by referring to a letter dated 2003 written to Jeffrey Epstein on his 50th birthday. And according to the article, it bore Donald Trump's signature. Soon after that, we saw Donald Trump respond, calling the letter fake and calling the article malicious and defamatory. He went ahead and said that he will be suing the Wall Street Journal. What's also important is soon after that, in another post on his social media platform, Truth Social, Donald Trump said that he will be asking his Attorney General, Pam Bondi, to go ahead and produce all and any pertinent grand jury testimony related to the Jeffrey Epstein case. He said that this was a scam perpetuated by the Democrats and it has to end now. Soon after that, we saw a response from Pam Bondi, who said that she will be moving court on Friday, asking these grand jury transcripts to be unsealed. Now, what happens legally and the procedure is still a bit unclear as to whether and if these will be released. Many also pointing out that this could be a lengthy process because this will be subject to court approvals. But this is where things stand, and all of this very significantly happening at a time when Donald Trump and his administration has been facing increasing pressure to reveal more details about the Jeffrey Epstein case. In fact, the pressure has been mounting not just from his political opponents, but also members from within his Republican Party and those associated with his Make America Great Again campaign as well. So this is certainly not over. More reactions that will be following in the days ahead.
Arunade Mukherjee in Washington, D.C.